Hello everyone, how to do it? Back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to delete your SweetMeet chat and dating application. So first of all, you need to open your app, then tap here left top corner of your screen. It's a three line, and tap here the option settings. You can see it's a settings option. So then you can see here the option app settings, and you can see here the option delete account. Then you can, are you sure that you want to delete your account? If you want to have rest for a while or restart afresh, you can delete all message and like, disable notification and delete account. So you have to choose this one and continue. Will you change your mind? So get VIP 3 days for free. So you will get 3 days for VIP. Stay for 3 more days and get VIP status to enjoy all option and feature of SweetMeet. So you'll get here free. But if you want to delete your account, then tap here delete account. So once you tap here, then your account will be deleted permanently. So today is normal, and see you in the next video.